Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar Channel. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Gonna make you a simple salad this evening. Amazing and delicious. Thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo Show. Got a lot more recipes, got a lot more ideas, got a lot more things. And also, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Subscribe, click on the bell, and also don't forget to follow me. It's very important. Leave your comments in the description box. Stay tuned. Nice one. So right over here we're gonna make your cucumber, red onion. A lot of stuff gonna be inside of it. So first thing what we're going to do is put this one side. All right. So what we're gonna do is this. Get a medium-sized cucumber, and we're gonna cut them into dices, chunky dice. Put them straight back inside like this. See that? Look at it. Nice one. White onion. Tomato. We're gonna use roughly quarter of the red onion. Squeeze half of a lime juice. Get rid of the seeds. Olive oil. If you want to get this garlic crusher, please visit Chef Ricardo website and purchase a garlic crusher. We're gonna squeeze two cloves of garlic inside of it. Another clove of garlic. If you want to get this garlic squeezer, please go to chefricardo.co.uk, click on the website, get your garlic crusher, and we will send it to you. Look at that, amazing. And then pepper. A little bit of dried chili. Smell lovely and nice. So as you can see exactly what's happening right here, guys, this is a fantastic bowl of fresh tomato and also cucumber. Mix everything together and get a lovely salad. If you have any more information, please leave it in the description box and we will get back to you. Alright guys, quick and simple, easy recipe to make at home. So please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this. Bye bye.